Question 10. When ordering pizza, 12 people chose Hawaiian. This is 5 fewer than the number of people who chose meat lovers. How many chose meat lovers? This question is about pizza. One quantity is the number of people who chose Hawaiian, and the other quantity is the number of people who chose meat lovers. The first thing I need to find out is which one is the largest quantity. To find that information, I need to look for the comparing words of either fewer or more. I can see fewer here. I'm going to read this sentence to find out which one is the larger quantity. This is 5 fewer than the number of people who chose meat lovers. If there are fewer choosing Hawaiian, then there must be more choosing meat lovers. So meat lovers is the larger quantity. The smaller quantity is Hawaiian, and I'll put that on this bar along with the difference. When ordering pizza, 12 people chose Hawaiian. So my first known is the smaller quantity, which is Hawaiian of 12. I'm going to make that approximately 12 centimetres. And there's the number of people who chose Hawaiian. This is 5 fewer than the number of people who chose meat lovers. So the difference here is 5. 5 fewer people chose Hawaiian and 5 more people chose meat lovers. How many chose meat lovers? The larger quantity is our unknown that we need to find out. I'm going to use this plan because I know the smaller quantity and I know the difference. And if I add these two together, I will get the larger quantity that is unknown. So the smaller quantity of 12, add the difference of 5, will give me the larger quantity that is unknown. 12 add 5 equals 17. I can check my maths by putting the unknown that we found in the top bar, and I can check 12 add 5 is 17. Even plus odd makes odd. The last thing I need to check is my question. How many chose meat lovers? Meat lovers was 17 people.